This mocktail drink costs just 8,000 naira to make. So if you're on a budget and you're thinking of drinks that you can have this festive season, hang around and watch this video to the end. Let me show you how to make this one. So what we need for this recipe is cucumber. Now you can get as much as you want. You can double, triple this recipe depending on how many you are in your family or the event that you are doing. Now you can use cucumbers, you can use any other fruit, but because we're on a budget, we are using only cucumbers for this recipe. I will make a video to show you other fruits that you can make mocktail drinks with and how affordable they are to do. Now you're going to put these cucumbers in a bowl, a plate, whatever you have. If your quantity is large, go ahead and add in a bigger bowl. Now we are going in with Sprite. Now I will add this Sprite to my cucumbers and allow this to set aside for 20 to 30 minutes. You want to allow this to rest. This is not a recipe that you would hurriedly mix everything together. Now I am using this Josie juice that I have. It's a leftover that I have. So I'll be using it today because it serves well and you just need little quantity. This cost about 200 naira. The cucumber costs 200 naira. So I'm going to mix this together. The Sprite costs 500 naira. So that is 900 naira for this I'll mix the juice with a little bit of water. If your quantity is big, mix all of them and add extra water to it. I will sieve out the Sprite juice in a cup and then adding some cucumbers into my cup that I'll be serving this drink with, going with my Sprite juice and this orange mixed um, juice that I have mixed. For the orange juice, you want to mix it with water, okay, not Sprite. Add it in, and your drink is ready to be served. This came out so amazing, and you would want to try it out. Your family will definitely love this one. I'll see you in my next recipe. Please do subscribe and tell me what you think about this video if you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.